listening to?
Some songs from Kids Profile.
What song is it?
Oh, you got it from Supernatural, that's why.
I think it's Supernatural. Nice.
Thank you.
What's Supernatural?
A TV show. A great TV show.
Well, I don't fucking watch it. God, I wish it. No, keep doing it. Ah! No! Come on, you gotta do it. Come on. Come on, Erica.
Thank you.
Do it. That's Gerard way, but you keep singing. Fuck Gerard.
Yeah, you're slowly going down, by the way.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, look in my greatest gift of fate shirt I just got.
Okay.
Suck my dick now. I'm not doing it.
What? Hey! Don't wrinkle Travis.
You keep Travis' foot.
Why? Because it's black?
Yep.
Erica, you can't put that on YouTube.
I wasn't going to.
Well, I was. This thing's being a fucking dick. There's too many Breathe Carolina songs. I don't feel like doing this.
Okay, what?
Getting Breathe
Did you find
Carolina.
any songs?
They're like 48. I've never heard them.
All that they can drink and it will never be enough, so give them blood, blood, blood. Grab a glass because there's going to be a flood. A celebrated man amongst the girls.
Where did they go?
With a bit of luck. The doctors and the nurses, they
I miss them. Don't you, Erica?
Yes, I did.
No, you don't.
I miss Frank.
You miss Frank Carter? That's cute.
Yeah.
You said you'd do him.
One man doesn't count.
Ew. He's a ginger.
I like gingers. Some of them are cute. Not that one, but I'm saying.
Like Eric, who does not look like Ron Weasley. I can't tell.
What are you say? I just want something else.
I don't know. I'm dumb. You have like the gayest collection of music on your fucking iPod. On your laptop.
I know. Some of it's really good and some's like, what the fuck is she on?
Most of it's like, what the fuck was she on? Suck my penis. Over here in that mind.
Suck my backyard pana. Oh, yes, you can.
Jason can suck your penis?
Yes.
What about his facial hair though? Wouldn't his facial hair get stuck on your penis?
No, try to tickle it. You started that. You got yourself into that one. You did that one.
You're so stupid.
This ain't nothing good. It's all you.
I want a fucking webcam on you 24/7.
All you.
Don't edit those.
I have them all by themselves.
Leave them alone.
I'm editing this
Leave
one.
them alone.
Go you.
Oh.
What?
People are gonna think we're gay now. Because we didn't watch Morb Tour. like him. Swayze.
This was the black one?
Yeah, Swayze's the black one.
This one's the...
Swayze's the black one! You just said that!
No, I like the white one.
These ones are racist.
No, I don't like the black one. All he sings is about coke and weed and all that, and the white one's like all sweet and nice and innocent.
Right. Right.
He's probably not.
Right.
At least his is his court date.
Swayze's the one that put his hat on the bed, so. And Swayze's the black one. Dude, don't ever put your hat on the bed. God damn, holy diver. Dead Voice Prada. I can't believe we were rocking out some Metallica in the car. That's fun. Really? Really? What are you doing? I can't believe all the shit we're listening to today. And Slipknot comes on.
I don't know.
They're kind of dumb. Oh, god damn it. Speaking of dumb. I don't like Jetstar.
I was like, what'd I do? What'd I do?
Andy was all up on Will Francis, though. It's not like him. Or her, whatever it is. I don't feel like wearing them. Renee's like, it's impossible to understand them. People understand you.